Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Notion account to access all workspace features and collaboration tools, follow these straightforward steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Notion website and click on the Sign Up button if you're creating a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Step 2. During the sign-up process, enter your email address when prompted. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access immediately for verification purposes. Step 3. After submitting your email, Notion will automatically send a verification message to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 4. Open the verification email from Notion. The subject line will typically say, "Verify your email for Notion" or similar. Step 5. Click on the verification link or button contained in the email. This will redirect you to the Notion website and automatically verify your email address. Step 6. Once redirected, you may be asked to set a password or complete your profile information. Fill in all required fields. Step 7. After verification, you'll have access to your Notion workspace. You can now create pages, databases, and collaborate with team members. Step 8. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings to protect your Notion workspace and data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.